Haven't you always wanted to know what's going on in your plant or machine? Of course. Therefore, the I/O system field offers monitoring functionality. We are measuring the currents and voltages and temperatures of each channel. And this can be done also for each power supply lines. This is a really big feature. And those data are transported then by TCP/IP protocol beneath the field bus data, of course. Well, you can set also pre and main alarms to observe and observe the transgression of values, of course, to avoid the plant shutdown. Well, in addition, you can optimize the current loads by measuring the process data and correct them because of the data sheet's technical data. And in addition, you can set or configure the sequential switching of the ports to avoid high loads if you switch parallel capacitive actuators.